So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the High Priestess. So someone might be giving you a silent treatment right now. You could be dealing with another Pisces or a Virgo here, not mandatory. But this is somebody who is kind of either mature or somebody who is kind of going through a spiritual awakening kind of a deal right now. But this is someone who is at a distance with you, maybe emotional distance or physical distance, and there is lack of communication or no communication happening at all. Although this person is continuously thinking about this connection between you and them, but they're in this energy of not showing it too much to you. Okay. We have the Temperance, the King of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, this is someone who is feeling like before taking any kind of action in this direction, they feel like being very patient about the situation. They feel like not to take any kind of action until unless they're 100%, 1000% sure about the future direction of the situation. So this is what they're feeling. They're feeling like remaining patient. They're feeling like, okay, taking action when they should is the right thing to do in this situation. It is the right thing to do in this connection. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Emperor. So from your side, you feel like keeping your energies intact, keeping your energies high, or basically you feel like taking the charge of your life in your hands and not doing much about it. You feel like, okay, if this person is not interested or they're not giving me that much happiness that I want, I should just let it go. So you are not in the pretending phase, you are in the doing phase right now. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you are ready to give your energy, give your love to someone who is ready to give you back the same kind of energy, the same kind of love, the same kind of vibes back the way you want to give it to them. It's like you are ready to move on to the next chapter of your life with or without this person. If they are not ready to level up and buckle up to your level, you are ready to move on to the next chapter of your life, okay? For some of you, with new person, new energy. For others of you, you're working on your job, money, career, name, fame, success. It's all about you and your priorities in your life and your non-negotiables in your life, right? So for you, there are few things that are non-negotiable no matter what, and you are just kind of taking a stand for yourself. Very good, very good. You know what you don't want. That's a real actual deal. If we know what we don't want, the universe give us what we want. Let's see what this person wants actually. Five of Cups. Okay, this person wants to come out of this emotional dissatisfaction because of the multiple failures in their relationship area, in their love area. Now they want to make the right choices, make the good choices in their life. They don't want to be in any kind of relationship just for the sake of being in a relationship, or they don't want to be in the wrong kind of relationships anymore. Let me clarify the Five of Cups. We have the Hermit, the Nine of Swords, Knight of Swords. Yes, this person is very scared of making any kind of wrong move in their love and relationship area. That is why they want to take their like sweet time in order to take any kind of initiative or action in this direction, because according to them, they have gone through so much in their life. They don't want to repeat the same cycle in their life again, no matter what. Okay, they want to be practical, they want to be logical, and they want to just do the right thing in this area right now, because they don't want to mess this up for themselves and for the other energy no matter what. Okay, they don't want to disappoint themselves again and again and again over. So basically I get to know that this person is kind of trying to break a pattern or cycle here in some way. You might be dealing with an Aquarius, because I got almost the same kind of energy for them as well. Maybe not mandatory, right? So now from your side, you just want to have a breakthrough. Okay, you just want to have like you just want to be in this energy of breaking free from things or people or situation that are not meant for you anymore. Let me clarify the Fool card. We have the Four of Cups, the Justice, and the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you don't want to be part of this disappointment kind of drama again and again and again. Now you want to be with the right person, with the right kind of energy, with the right kind of vibes and the right kind of dynamic. So your feelings and your intentions are basically matching with each other very very beautifully, and you just want what you want, and you are very clear that you want somebody by your side who is going to have this kind of partnership or collaboration with you that's going to last. Okay, and that is going to have equal give and take of energy, that is going to have a beautiful vibe, beautiful kind of connection kind of energy. Okay, and until unless you are going to get that kind of energy, you just want to keep yourself protected from people or situations or things that keeps on disappointing you again and again and again. Yeah, multiple times, repeated cycle, repetitive cycle. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 29th of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation here? We have the Eight of Cups. I do see emotional detachment, letting go and saying goodbye to something or someone. Eight of Cups, yeah. You're letting go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system for good this time. You're like, okay, I tried my best, I gave my best shot to this, and now I can't do anything much about it, so it's better to let it go. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Yeah, you're choosing yourself. You're choosing a brand new energy opening up for you. Like basically, you're choosing your independence over this particular person or situation because of the multiple heartbreaks. So even if somebody is coming towards you for a brand new beginning, I guess you are going to say no to them. Now it could be you reaching out to somebody for a brand new beginning. They are going to say no to you, or this is somebody who is coming towards you for a second chance, and you're choosing your independence. You're choosing yourself over them and saying goodbye to them, saying no to them for good. For this, like this time it's over. This time it's completely over, and this time we are letting go of the situation for good. Like because it's too stressful, it's too much for you to take, and you are going to be like saying goodbye to this for good this time. Take it how it resonates with you. So whosoever here is ready to let go is kind of letting it go completely. Okay, and whosoever is trying to fix it, I think they have to face the disappointment in the situation, because the other energy is kind of not willing to participate in the situation anymore because they are kind of done. Let me see the guidance for you guys. We have the Page of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, new love, new energy, new connection, new friendships, and new experiences are on the horizon for you guys, Pisces. All you have to do is to get out of your comfort zone, start loving yourself, taking care of yourself. And once you are going to be in the self-love, self-care, and high vibrations kind of energy, the universe is going to send you a lot of multiple new brand new beginnings in your life, in actually every area of your life, to be honest with you. It is new career, new you, new love, new people, new friends, new friendships, new energies. So basically, all you have to do is to work on your heart chakra, self love, self care, self healing, plus working on your heart chakra, keeping your heart chakra open and balanced is going to bring you a lot of happiness, a lot of brand new beginnings in actually every area of your life. It's all about you opening up to the possibilities, to the new energies, new kind of dynamics with an open heart and open energy. Okay, keep in mind that you need to be open to receive and open to give, and you should not be in any kind of desperation or any kind of lack kind of energy. Then you are going to see the miracle and energies unfolding in front of your eyes very very quickly. So basically, you letting go or detaching from something or someone is actually a good thing. This breakup or separation, whatever is happening, is actually for the highest good of yours and for the next chapter of your life. That's very very beautiful actually, but it needs to, like, you need to learn the lesson, and you need to take the blessings from the situation, then move forward accordingly. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.